Hey everyone, Matthew Reichenbach here with Altafiber, coming to you live from our corporate office downtown. You can see this beautiful building that we just renovated here, doing an unboxing of the Sonos Move 2. Couple really awesome features about this new device. It's got double the battery life of its original Move, from 11 hours to over 20. Has a USB-C plug on the back that can actually use this as a power bank and charge your phone. As well, aesthetically, it's got the power or volume up and down like the Era 100 and 300 have. And this is the first Sonos portable speaker to actually be able to play in stereo. All the others are only on a mono channel. So let's go ahead and open this guy up and see what we have in store. We're gonna jump in and open up the Move 2 as always. Recyclable parts. Sonos is big on sustainability. So all of these are recyclable. Peel that right off. We can open it up. You can see here it looks like we've got a box. It's got the charger, the ring that you can sit it on, as well as the plug. Again, recyclable box. Inside we've got our directions on how to set it up, as well as the speaker itself. The Move 2 is $50 more than the Move, so it is $449. If you are an Altafiber customer, you can put it on your bill. It's only $1871 over 24 months. Comes with voice assistant, so this one comes with Alexa as well as the Sonos voice assistant built into it. Got your nice little charger there. You can see on the back here, you got your USB-C, but you can use this as a power bank as well as your power button, and then Bluetooth mode and your speaker on and off. Make sure you stop by, tell them you saw the video, and pick one up for you and your family.